Hey everybody, time to update the driver's side mirror to the Euro aspherical type. So let's jump right into it. And there was a little surprise when I opened the box. Euro style driver's side aspherical mirror. We're gonna put this in. It's supposed to be one of the best upgrades. I purchased this at Suncoast Porsche. I haven't opened it up yet. Hopefully it's a quick, easy job. What? Assembled in USA. That's very interesting. Here goes nothing. Let's just kind of all right, well that was easy, amazingly. Really, I don't want to screw this up. Let's do it the idiot way. All right. Now, this is just kind of tucked in there. I should just have to push down on this little clip. Okay. And this one looks like very hard to tell. Oh, looks like the little white thing. I gotta push. How about a little Torx? There we go. This one back. You can see the little rubber grommet in there. Then this was tucked in there. Oh yeah, and then what? That's it? All right, let's jump in the car and see how it looks.